Hi friends, today for science we are going to explore the sense of touch and feel. You're going to need 2 balloons. You need a funnel, but if you're like Miss Rentschler and don't have a funnel, I'm going to use a piece of paper. And then you need 2 things. I'm going to be using shave cream and sugar. You can use flour, sugar, shave cream, anything that can fit inside of a balloon. I don't know if it makes it easy or not, but I did blow up this balloon and then let all of the water out, or the air out of it. And for the shave cream, I'm going to do that one first. I'm going to make sure that I get the opening of the balloon. Please have an adult help you. The opening of the balloon over the spout of the shave cream. And then I'm going to squirt some shave cream in it. Oh no! And make a mess. Give me 1 second. Okay. Be careful when putting the shave cream in the balloon because it's going to expand. But I put the shave cream in it and then I tied the balloon. And then you can gently, because it can still pop and we don't want that, but gently squeeze and feel the balloon. What does it feel like? It almost kind of feels like it's empty and filled with air, but then if you rub 2 sides of it together, you can feel that there's something in it. And I have a very dark balloon, but when I squeeze it, it gets lighter. Okay, so explore this one. And then for our other one, I forgot to get a spoon for my sugar. And I don't have a spoon in here. So let me go get a spoon. Alright, so I did get a spoon, but I thought that it would be easier to pour from a cup into my makeshift funnel, instead of from just putting a spoon in it. So I'm going to use a piece of paper because, like I said, I don't have a funnel. A paper plate would be good too. Mr. Rentschler uses a paper plate a lot. I forgot about that. Alright, so I got a funnel with a small hole at the end, and I'm going to try to put this hole in the balloon. The balloon over the hole. Okay, paper doesn't work, but a paper plate is more sturdy. So I've made a cone out of a paper plate. I've put the cone of the paper plate into the balloon. And then remember, I put my sugar into a cup. So I'm going to pour the sugar into the paper plate. And then I'm going to pull on the balloon so that way it gives it room for the sugar to go in. I've always wanted to make these, but I've never made them. My favorite one to feel has flour in it. The flour was too high. I couldn't reach it. So I did sugar. Okay, so after you have as much ingredients as you can get into your balloon, you're going to tie your balloon off, and then you can feel it. Ooh, this one's using another one of our 5 senses because it makes a sound and I can hear it. So compare your 2 balloons. We can see that this one's bigger than this one, but how does it feel? This one's softer and squishier. This one's harder, and I can feel the individual pieces of sugar too. It's more grainy. You can feel it on my fingers. This one's just soft and smooth and it glides right over. What 2 materials did you use? Which one do you like the best? Why? So this is our sense of touch, remember? And just like with sound, there's things that we can touch and we like the feeling of. Some of us like soft and fluffy things. Some of us might like a little bit of harder or rougher things. Things can be soft, they can also be rough, they can be pokey, they can be smooth, or they can be sticky. Running my finger over my balloon, it's kind of sticky, it's not smooth. And we touch lots and lots of different things, so there's so many different textures that we can feel with our hands. I hope that you had fun making your little stress balls and little feel balls. Bye guys.